So in the WhatsApp, whatever you send, it is at the bottom, and whatever you have, it's going like this. But here, as we are not able to like do kind of like however you can chat in WhatsApp, we will have to use list view, which looks something like this. And here you need to take another layout, take vertical arrangement, keep the width and the height as fill parent, something like this. You can see. Okay, so this is pro chatting app which we are doing, and it's gonna be awesome. Okay, and here keep the width of this list view as fill parent. Okay, that's it. So here whatever you send, it's gonna come like this. Okay, and this one, it should look something like this, and as simple as that, guys. So here we have done the designing. So now you'll have to go to storage and take this cloud db. So yeah, it looks something. And yeah, this is the chat arrangement which is just visible. I just remove the visible, and this is the name arrangement. So yeah, um first let's go with like okay, yeah, first let's go with like repeatedly you have to enter your name. Let's do that. So now let's go ahead and click on blocks. Okay, and next what you have to do is so guys, first let's finish the code of this page, and then we'll move to the chat page. Okay, so when somebody clicks that chat button after like they enter their name, not in this name arrangement, yeah, here you can see chat button for name. Okay, there, so when somebody clicks that button, what should it do? Well, what it should do is this name arrangement, it should remove, like it should not be visible. Let me just connect it, duplicate, yeah, and the vertical arrangement one. Okay, which is the chat arrangement. I'll just show you once again. So vertical arrangement one is the whole of chat arrangement. Okay, oh, oh no, what's this? Oh no. Okay guys, so here when somebody clicks that button, then um the name arrangement should not be visible, whereas the chat arrangement should be visible. Just change that to true. Okay, and after this we'll finish the chat arrangement. Let me remove this name arrangement. And yes guys, rest all is the chat arrangement, which is pretty simple. You can do that. Even though I have removed that video, there are so many videos on YouTube. Like you can just have a look. There are so many videos. Yeah, I just wanted to make something new for you guys. So I just thought like you can enter your name and stuff and do. So guys, as you can see, this is when somebody clicks the chat button, means uh the send button. Sorry, not this one. Sorry, design. Yeah, when somebody clicks this, which is the button 2, as you can see, when somebody clicks that button 2, then what should it do? That's basically what we have done here. Oh, okay, yeah. You can see this one button to click, call cloud db1 append value to list tag. So you can just have to take this plain text, tag is chat item to add text box 1 dot text, and here you need to put this text, and text box 2 dot text, which is the chat. Okay, and this is the name text box, this is the chat text box, and then the whatever that person has typed, that should clear. So text box 2 dot text, it should clear. Okay, it should become empty, something like this. Okay, so yeah, we have done this chat button, so we are done with it. Now let's finish the clear button. Okay, when somebody clicks that clear button, which is the button 1. Okay, when somebody clicks this clear button, then just I'll just tell you. Okay, you'll have to go to, just scroll down. Here you will find cloud db1. Here you will have to choose this um, clear tag, connect it over here. And of course guys, this application is internet to work, so duplicate this chat and just directly connect it over here, something like this. Okay. And okay, so the next thing what you have to do is CloudDB1. When CloudDB1 uh, got value, yeah, this guy, connected, sorry, not connected, just keep it over here. When CloudDB1 got value, and for this you will have to take a variable initialize global, like, let's keep it as initialize global chats. Okay. To this, we just have to connect an empty one, something like this. So you have to do this is very important. And here, set global chats to, here you can see get value, connected over here. And now list view one, yeah, list view one elements, you can see this one, set list view one elements to um get global chats, right? Yes guys, so now the next thing which is there is the the cloud db1 dot data changed, this one. Okay, I'll tell you. Oh no, for this what you have to do is, for this you just have to duplicate this and see. Oh sorry, duplicate. Oh, oh man, there's no much space in this. Connect it. That's it guys, here we have finished the chat part. So I think we are ready to test this application. Okay. Okay guys, here is the application. Here I'll just enter my name just for now. Hello. If we click, this is the chat interface. Just keep the device something like this. Yeah, now it should be good. So now I'll just type here hello. As you can see guys, it's working. Here I kept my name as hello and the message has been sent as hello. Okay, so if yeah, now what we'll do is let's keep it as hi. Okay, you can see it's working. Now if I click on clear, and if I click if I just send any other message, you can see that message has been cleared and this is the message which is there. So guys, that simple application. I'll see you guys in the next